Magandang umaga, hapon, gabi, o tanghali sa inyong lahat. So today we are gonna play Squid Game but with your friends. Yun talaga yung pang... Sumobra. So yun talaga yung pangalan ng game and sana naman is fun to. Sana. So pagkatapos ng set, huwag nyo ka naman mag-like at mag-subscribe. Click na notification bell para update kayo pag meron ng bagong video. So smart na tayo. Start na tayo. Let's go! Start the games. Start. Wait. What the? Start up. Rejoin. 7 lang. What the? Ba't ako may... Ba't 7 lang kami? Teka nga, ang unti namin, teka. Third, rejoin. Tingnan natin. Time-lapse. Tingnan mo 121. No. Nang ad. Okay, it's my Gunchana. So, tapos ko yung ano. Ano na? Bagal ah. Kanina 7 players na pa. Ay, hindi. Parang nag-load yung textures. Dami ko kasi friends. Ina-accept ko lang yung mga lahat ng nag-friend sa akin eh. Ina-accept ko lang lahat. Like for you. Hello guys! Welcome to the game. To the night. Now tonight will be the night that I will fall for you. Dami kong kaibigan dito na kilala ko rin sa ano. I miss you. Di sana all my kumano dito eh. Red light, green light tayo. Muhum wago jibiya sumida. Start next game. Ba! Tidak kami lagi. Ada ba? Can we start the game na? Yung FPS ko! What's your sound? Red light.
Green light, red light, green light, green light,
May napatay.
red light,
What the? Dog.
green light, red light, green light,
How I control the game? Okay. Red light.
green light, red light, green
Pagbigyan natin
light,
sila.
red light, green red light, green red light, green light,
Guys, you can do this, guys.
red light,
Uy. Ay, yo! Oh, the game has now ended. The cookie game.
Attention players, the next game is beginning shortly. Please make your way to the game.
Players left 8. 8 players na lang? Wait, what the?
The game is cookie cutting. Cut your cookie
Uy,
carefully.
ba't ang huli nila region? Masyado ko silang pinagtripan. Oh my gosh. Oh, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 100. Na! Mm, yeah. Bukasan niyo na. Boss. Yun, let's go, let's go. Good morning, everyone. You have
Reincarnated.
dami, oh. Uy, ikaw yung pinakaulit. Ako di ko manalo, ah. Grabe, nilaga ng leaderboard. Ay, naglalag ako. Red light,
Attention
red light,
players, the next game is beginning shortly. Please
Una, alam ko na. Alam ko na. Season 2 nga, alam ko na. Di mo na lalapit sa kanila, sa kanila kasi maglalag ako. Yung FPS ko na naman bababa.
Not move when it calls red light.
Ba't daw, uy?
Green light.
Alay.
Red light.
Okay, no one die. Very good, guys.
Green light.
Red light.
Red light.
Oh, no one dies. Ang galing. Let's go.
Green light.
Noy. Red light.
Red light.
Ay, hindi ko makin... No! Stop dying! You are such moron. Spector. Uy! Spector! Ay, green.
Green light.
Uy, mali mo.
Red light.
No! Spector kong die. Spector.
Green light.
Isa ko rin to, Spector. Hindi, joke ka nila yan, ha?
Red light. Green light.
Uy. Ka dyan.
Red light. Green light. Red light.
Red light.
Green light.
Red light.
Red light.
No! Shit.
Green light.
Wait, meron palang items? Inventory. Ay, ito.
The game has now ended. Please return
Subspace
to
strip
your
mine. Who plays left 42? Grabe! Ang nunod nyo. Daming namatay doon. Sabi ko mananalo dapat yung 121 eh. Kasi pinakahuli. What the heck? Cookie game.
Attention players, the next game is beginning shortly. Please make your way to the game.
I won't let everyone die. What is this? Ah! Wait! A duplication of me! Good morning, comrade. Why are you much taller than me? Guys, please don't break, please. Please! Ay! Buti nga square ka eh. No? Buti nga square ka eh. Noob! Ay, wait. Ay, yuck! Okay, they're going to... Okay, I have a gun. How do they know? Di ko alam kung paano siya. I know someone can do it. Yes! Meron mga green. Naka-green. 89, 100. Bakit nandito si Mona Lisa? Ay! Ang sakit! Kung hindi nyo alam yung Mona Lisa na cookie, guys. Ang sakit! Ang hirap! Yun. Kuya, 99, 100. You can do it, guys. Mona Lisa. Babaralin kita pag di mo yun na ano. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, you can do it, please. Ikaw na lang matitira dito. Or shoot na talaga kita. Ah, okay. Sure. Wait. Oh! Uy, nangyari!
The game has now ended.
Ah.
Please return to your beds.
What the? Wait, sabi return to beds, pero wala namang beds. Ilang players na tila? 26. 42 minus 26. 6 yata ang namatay. 16. 16 yata namatay. 4 corners. Okay, try natin 4 corners.
The next game is beginning shortly. Please make your
Try natin 4 corners. Di ko pa yun alam eh. Invent na lang yata nila yun. Oh,
The next game is four corners. Go to whichever corner you'd like.
Spectre!
A random corner will be selected, and all players in that corner will be eliminated.
Oh, so it's a game of luck. Mini, mini mo. Pwet ng kabayo, kamukha mo. Oh my gosh, I can't pick one. Teka. Yeah. Yung bawal na mini, mini mo. Pwet ng kabayo, kamukha mo. Yellow. Yellow! Yellow! Ah! Bale.
The game has now ended.
Yes! Ilang kaya natira, bro? Ilang kaya natira? Ang natira lang is 11. Oh my! 15 namatay? We? 15 ba? Oo, ano? Hindi ko alam. Next game. The Glass Bridge and then Gambler Street before they win big.
Attention players, the next game is beginning.
Oh, ano sila napag?
The next game is Glass Bridges. For each pair of tiles, one tile will break when stepped on. If you do not cross the finish line in time, you will be eliminated. Good luck. Go.
No, I don't control that. No, wait. Kasali ba ako? Kasali ako. Thank you, everybody. Ay! Whoa, okay. If I die, I don't know. Uy! What? Stop pushing me! So close. Mga kuya at na! No! Hindi lang nasira! Okay, mamatay! Can I step over here? Oh wait. I can literally... If they all die here, I win the 45.6 million. Kuya! Kuya. Follow. Ate. Follow kuya, please. Follow kuya. Yes. Cover! Ay, hindi na pala.
The game has now ended.
Oh my God! Hindi na pala babae mga lalaki. Magkatapat pa sila. Ano kaya ito? Kala ko naman ito 67. Oh my gosh, I can see. Oh, yan ang player kasi yan. Player 4 and player 34. Oh, pareho sila may 4. Sword fight. It can be only 1 or 10.
Attention players, the next game is beginning shortly. Please make your way to the game hall. The next
I
game
will
is
win the 121.
Sword Fight. Good luck.
Sword fight. Uy, gagi. Di ako sorry dito.
Go.
Oh my gosh! Divided. Sige. No!
The game has now ended. Please return to your beds.
Let's go! Nanalo yung lalaki! Let's go. Yay! Ay, grabe. Phantom tax. Ay! I need X. Phantom tax. Oh my God. Ay! So, this is where the video ends, guys. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video. Don't forget to click the notification bell for you to be updated when I post videos. even though I don't. So, goodbye guys. See you when I post again.